Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope all of you are in good condition now. Last week, you have reviewed the material, what you have learned in class 7, in class 8. Now, we will review the type of words. What is a type of words? Oh yes, right. Jenis-jenis kata. Mengapa kita ulang tentang type of words? Karena di kelas 9 nanti you will study about the complex sentences, kalimat yang lebih kompleks, about the type of genre, type of text, jenis-jenis bacaan yang jauh lebih kompleks. This is about narrative, procedure, and report. And you will not be able to study the text well if you doesn't know the type of words. Kalian tidak akan bisa mempelajari itu dengan baik jika kalian tidak paham betul apa itu jenis-jenis kata. Makanya sekarang kita akan belajar tentang jenis kata. In English, there are so many types of words. For example, we study about the noun. What is noun? Okay, noun is kata benda in Indonesia. There are countable and uncountable nouns. Ada kata benda yang dapat dihitung dan kata benda yang tidak dapat dihitung. In class 7, you have studied about this. What is the example of countable nouns? What are these pictures? Yes, this is book and pencil. Kata benda yang dapat dihitung. What else? Mouse, masjid. What else? Cow. If one cow, if two cows. Pembentukan plural, singular, plural. Tambah s atau es kalau yang beraturan. And what is the example of uncountable nouns? Water. Yeah, this is water. And sand. Water, air. Siapa yang bisa menghitung air? Tidak ada. Okay, the next type of word is verb. What is verb? Yes, right. Kata kerja. Word that shows an action. Kata yang menunjukkan action atau tindakan. For example, eat. What is eat? What is eat? Yes, right. Makan. Dance. Menari. Drink. Minum. Sit, run, etc. In class 8, you have studied simple past. Of course, you have studied about verb 2, verb 1, and verb 2. Di dalam bahasa Inggris ada kata kerja bentuk pertama, kata kerja bentuk kedua, dan di kelas 9 nanti kalian akan belajar tentang kata kerja bentuk ketiga. Simple past menggunakan kata kerja bentuk kedua. The next, nanti kita akan belajar tentang verb 1, verb 2. The next meeting. Okay, the third is about, what is it? Adjective. What is adjective? Kata sifat. Kata yang menjelaskan tentang benda. For example, what is it? She is beautiful. Which one is the adjective? Yes, beautiful. Beautiful, ini kata sifatnya. Dia cantik. Cantik menerangkan apa? She. She kata ganti untuk orang ketiga, perempuan tunggal. The next example is handsome. What is handsome? Tampan. What is this? The next is contoh yang lain adalah this is a small horse. This is a small horse. The adjective is small. It's small. Yeah, small, kecil. The next is the tiger is a wild animal. Wild, adjective. Wild menerangkan tiger. Wild, buas. Tiger is a wild animal. Harimau adalah binatang buas. The next type of word is adverb. What is adverb? Kata keterangan. Usually, adverb is formed from adjective plus ly. ly. Adjektif yang ditambah dengan ly itu menjadi adverb. Beautiful, cantik, beautifully, dengan cantik atau dengan indahnya. The example of adverb. There are adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of frequency. Adverb of time, for example, early, soon, recently. Adverb of time, keterangan waktu, early, lebih awal, soon, segera, recently, baru-baru ini. Adverb of place, keterangan tempat. Adverb of manner, keterangan cara. Bagaimana kegiatan itu dilakukan. Biasanya ini menjelaskan tentang verb atau action. Adverb of frequency, kata keterangan yang menunjukkan tingkat keseringan. Sometimes, usually, rarely, always, etc. That's all about type of words. Besides this, there are still many type of words you can study in the enclosed material. Kalian bisa belajar di materi yang terlampir. And please do the exercise or the assignment. Before that, please read the guidance. Sebelum kalian mengerjakan tugas, silahkan dilihat dulu file panduannya. Ikuti panduannya dengan baik, insya Allah kalian akan berhasil. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.